Welcome to EZLOGZ. This video is part of a series of training videos with helpful and in-depth information on our products. Find out how EZLOGZ can increase your fleet performance and save money. Adverse driving. There are two ways to enable the adverse driving mode, while driving and while parked. Let's look at both of them. If you are in the driving mode, then on the main screen, press the Settings button, select Add Exception in the pop-up window. Next select Adverse Driving and specify the reason in the drop-down list. If the reasons from the list do not match your situation, select Other and briefly describe the case in the input field. Push the OK button. A note about the adverse drive mode will appear on the main screen. If you are in the sleeper berth, on duty or off-duty modes, on the main screen of the logbook, click on the DR with exception button. In the pop-up window, select Adverse Driving and specify the reason for activating the mode in the drop-down list. Confirm the operation by clicking on the OK button. The DR with exception button will turn red, which confirms the activation of the adverse driving mode. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please get in